Marvel has been toying with fans left, right and center this week, after giving very lucky audiences at CineEurope glimpses of Avengers 4 and Captain Marvel. And yet here us mere mortals are, still waiting for a trailer, and even a title in Avengers 4's case. Although the footage shown to crowds of the presentation in Barcelona hasn't been made public, there are whisperings on the internet of what was revealed by Marvel Studios. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Flick, as Nikita Burkin told Twitter that Marvel is gearing up to give the MCU a whole new face in Captain Marvel, writing, "Captain Marvel is about to take the lead in the entire Marvel Cinematic Universe." Unsurprisingly, fans are excited to hear that a female character is about to lead the MCU, if not a little concerned about what that means for the likes of Iron Man and Captain America. Advertisement. Continue reading below. But that's not the only way Captain Marvel will mark a shift in the making of comic book movies, as producer Nate Moore recently revealed that the film will put a whole new spin on the traditional origin story. Teasing a non-conventional and subversive take on the superhero genre, he explained, "We are very conscious of making sure that audiences don't get things that feel like they've seen them before." Related, how Avengers: Infinity War sets up Captain Marvel. Speaking of things we haven't seen before, where's that trailer? Marvel. Captain Marvel will trailblaze into cinemas on March 8, 2019 in the UK and the US. Avengers 4 opens on April 26, 2019 in the UK and in the US. On May 3, 2019, want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our Digital Spy Twitter account and you're all set.